Hi everyone. I honestly thought this was going to be one of those robot vacuums I'd spend more time rescuing than actually enjoying, especially with pet hair, rugs, thresholds, and everyday clutter around the house. But after living with the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete, I can say this feels less like a simple robot vacuum and more like a cleaning routine that runs in the background without constantly needing me to step in. The biggest thing I noticed right away was how much it changed the condition of my floors from day to day. Before using it, I was always playing catch-up. There would be pet hair collecting near the edges, dust showing up on hard floors, crumbs in the kitchen, and that slightly flat, tired look on carpet after a few days. With the V50 running regularly, the floors just stay more presentable. Not perfect every second, but consistently cleaner than they used to be. The suction is one of its strongest points. This model is rated at 24,000 PA, and while numbers don't always mean much in real life, I could actually see the difference on carpet. It doesn't just skim over the surface, it pulls up pet hair, fine dust, crumbs and debris that tend to settle into the fibers. On older carpet, it even helped lift the nap a bit, making the room look fresher and more cared for. On hard floors, it's just as useful. I have areas where small debris shows up constantly, especially around the kitchen, bathroom, and pet areas. The V50 handles those everyday messes really well, and it transitions between hard flooring, rugs, and carpet without acting confused. It doesn't seem to panic at normal surface changes, and that makes a big difference if your home has mixed flooring. The mopping is where I was most skeptical. I've seen plenty of robot mops that basically drag a damp pad around and call it cleaning. This feels more serious than that. The rotating mop pads actually scrub, and the warm water feature makes the floors feel more evenly cleaned, especially in the kitchen, where sticky spots or light greasy residue can build up. The first time I checked the dirty water tank, the water was much darker than I expected, which told me it was pulling up dirt I wasn't seeing at first glance. I also like that it doesn't leave the floors overly wet. The floors dry pretty quickly after it passes, but they still look and feel cleaner. If there's a really sticky spot, I may need to have it go over the area again or touch it up myself, but for routine maintenance, it does a very good job. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Another thing I appreciate is how little daily effort it requires. The dock handles a lot of the maintenance, including emptying debris and washing the mop pads. It also dries the mop pads, which helps prevent that damp, unpleasant smell that can happen with wet cleaning pads. It's not completely maintenance-free, and I wouldn't want to give that impression, but it does shift the work from a daily chore to more of an occasional check-in. For pet owners, one thing I definitely recommend is checking the onboard filter regularly. If you have cats, dogs, or long hair in the house, fur can build up and reduce suction. When it's clean, the vacuum performs much better. It would be nice if the app gave a more specific reminder for that, especially for pet homes. But once I got into the habit of checking it, it wasn't a big deal. The app is another part that surprised me in a good way. Setup and mapping were straightforward, and the map built quickly and accurately. I like being able to name rooms, schedule cleanings, set specific zones, and decide whether I want vacuuming, mopping, or both. It gives a lot of control without feeling overwhelming. I can set it to clean the kitchen more often, run a full vacuum session at night, or send it to one specific area after a mess. Navigation has been reliable too. It moves around furniture, finds its way through rooms, and handles thresholds better than I expected. The liftable navigation system and obstacle handling help it deal with everyday transitions, like mats, small thresholds, and pet items. I still try to pick up cords, clothing, and anything with thin straps before running it, because no robot is magic. It can occasionally get caught on something like that. But compared to older robot vacuums I've used, this one needs much less babysitting. I also really like that it can leave the mop pads at the base when doing carpet-only vacuuming. That makes it feel more thoughtfully designed, because I don't want wet mop pads being dragged over carpeted rooms. The extending side brush and extending mop pad are useful too, especially near edges, cabinet areas, and corners. It still doesn't clean every corner like a person with a broom and determination, but it gets close enough that the leftover touch-up work is small. Noise level is another highlight. It's much quieter than I expected for something this powerful. You can hear it when it ramps up, especially on stronger suction settings, but it's not disruptive. The dock cleaning and emptying cycles are also quieter than I thought they would be. If you run it early in the morning or late at night, it doesn't feel like a machine taking over the house. The accessory kit is a nice bonus as well. Having spare parts, Mop pads, brushes, bags, detergent, and deodorizer included makes the whole package feel more complete. I didn't feel like I had to immediately go out and buy extras just to keep it running. There are a few things to keep in mind. The box is heavy when everything is packed together, so if lifting is difficult, you may want help getting it set up. The dock is also fairly large, especially if you live in a smaller apartment, so you'll want to think about where it will sit. And if you mop every day, it can use a good amount of water, which means you'll be refilling the clean tank and emptying the dirty tank more often. It also doesn't replace deep manual cleaning completely. If something is dried on or sticky, you may still need to scrub it. If debris is tucked deep under cabinet edges or in awkward corners, it may miss a little. But the important thing is that it handles the heavy routine cleaning, so those small touch-ups don't feel exhausting. Overall, the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete has been a strong mix of vacuuming power, effective mopping, smart navigation, and low-effort maintenance. It's especially useful if you have pets, mixed flooring, or just want your home to stay cleaner between deeper cleanings. It's not perfect, but it genuinely reduces the amount of time and energy I spend thinking about the floors, and that's what makes it feel worthwhile. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.